set amongst nature's beauty. The Stations of the Cross are scaled larger than life-size to inspire devotion and prayer. These Michelangelo-like masterpieces allow visitors to walk the length of the Via Dolorosa and experience the last steps of our Savior, Jesus Christ, as if they were walking with Him during His final hours in His earthly body. The 7-foot figures are featured in 14 stations, crafted by 10 of America's finest bronze sculptors.
We have an opportunity here to create a set of stations that rivals anything done in the world.
Most of the sculptures that we saw only had maybe 2 or 3 figures in each station, and we decided maybe we should make these a little bit bigger and encompass another part of the story with it.
We have really strived to make this a very emotional piece. I mean, we're telling a story. This is the final hours of the life of Christ. To describe it now, I don't think I can.
It's very unique that you have this large of a group of artists collaborate and work effectively together. This has a chance to be one of the most profound representations of the Stations of the Cross in the world.
We call on you to join us. Become an integral part of bringing these much-needed and desired works to the United States and to the world. Inspire millions of people, evangelize your faith, and build a legacy for yourself and your family.